Hello students, let us solve question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So students, here A dash 6724. Students, here what we have to do, what would be the smallest or largest number so that the entire digit is divisible by 3. What is the rule of divisibility by 3? That if we add the numbers, it should be the multiple. If we add all these digits, it should be the multiple of 3. So first of all, let us add the sum of the given digit. 6724 is given. If we add this, then 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 19. Sum of the given digits. The 19 is a multiple of 3? No. So we will first find which smallest number we will add so that we get the smallest number, so that we get the digit as divisible by 3. Now sum of its digits should be divisible by 3 to make the number divisible by 3. So which number we will add? Till 19 we got. The smallest multiple after 19 in 3 is which? Which is the smallest multiple of 3 after 19? 21. So 21 is, since 21 is the smallest multiple of 3 which comes after 19. Now, so smallest number. So what would be the smallest number? So 21 minus 19 if we do, then answer is 2. So smallest number is equals to 2. That means students, if we write here 2, then 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 we do, then the answer we are getting is 21, which is the multiple of 3. Hence the entire digit is divisible by 3. So what is the answer for the smallest number? 2. Now students, we have to find for the largest number. So first of all, we have done with the smallest number, that is with the multiple of that is with 21. Now what would be the next multiple of 3 after 21? That is 24. So 24 minus 19 if we do, then answer is what? So students, 24 minus 19 is 5. Next multiple 27 minus 19. What is 27 minus 19? 8. Then if we do 30 minus 19, then answer is 11. So which would be the largest? Here 11 is a 2-digit number, so we will not take. So largest number that we have to take is 8. So if we put 8 in sum of digits, then it will be 27. Hence the largest number is 8. Question number B. 4765-2. Now here also students, first of all we will find sum of these digits. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. If we add this, then the answer we are getting is 24. Now students, here 24 is already multiple of 3. So since 24 is already divisible by 3, so we will put 0 as the smallest number. Hence 0 is the smallest number that can be replaced. So we get answer for the smallest number as 0. Why? Because while doing additions, we are already getting multiple of 3 as 24. So if we add 0, then we'll get 24, which is the multiple of 3. Hence the entire digit is divisible by 3. Now students, we have to find largest number. So we will take multiple of 3 after 24. That is 27 minus 24 if we do, then answer is 3. Then 30 minus 24 if we do, then answer is 6. Then 33 minus 24 if we do, then answer is 9. And then 36 minus 24 if we do, then answer is 12, which is 2 digits. So 2-digit number we will not take. So which is the largest number now? 9. Hence the largest number is 9. Question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number is divisible by 11. Now in this question, here we have to write the digits in blank space, but we have to find such a digit that it should be divisible by 11. So let us solve this question. Students, what is the divisibility rule for the 11? That the number or sum of its odd digits place and sum of its even digits place, difference should be 0 or divisible by 11. So students, here if we do A, 99 to A, 92-389. Let us place A here, alphabet A be placed here. So sum of its digits at odd places are 9 plus 3 plus 2. So if we add this, the answer we are getting is 40. Sum of its digits at even place. One, there is a blank space we have given name as A. So 8 plus A plus 9, that is equals to 17. Now students, we have to take different sum of its digits at even places. So here if we do 8 plus A plus 9, that is 17 plus A. 17 plus A we will do. Now students, we have to take difference. That is 17 plus A minus 14. So 17 minus 14 is 3 plus A. 3 plus A we have done. Now for the difference, we know that the sum difference answer we should get 0 or multiple of 11. So let's start from the 0. 3 plus A equals to 0 if we do, then A equals to minus 3. This is not possible. So the 0 we cannot take A equals to minus 3. Now students, let us take, but we cannot take as the negative. Now if we take 3 plus A equals to 11. So A equals to 11 minus 3. So A equals to 8. So here this is possible. Hence the answer is 8. Answer is 8. Therefore the required digit is 8. Question number B. Question number B. 8-9484. Let A be placed here. Means in the missing blank we will place A. Now sum of its digits at odd places equals to 4 plus 4 plus A. That is equals to 8 plus A. Sum of its digits at even places equals to 8 plus 8 plus 9, that is equals to 25. Now we have to take difference of these two number, that is 25 minus 8 plus A, that is equals to 25 minus 8 minus A, because the sign will change inside the bracket, that is equals to 17 minus A. Now what we will take A equals to, that we have to find. First of all we will take with the 0. So 17 minus A equals to 0 if we do, then A equals to 17 we are getting. This is not possible. Why? Because it is 2-digit number. So here we will write not possible. Now let us take with the multiple of 11. So if we take 17 minus A equals to 11, then A equals to 17 minus 11. Therefore, A equals to 6. Now, let us take next multiple of 11 and find out whether it is required digit or not. So if we take 17 minus A equals to 22. Then minus A equals to 22 minus 17. Then minus A equals to 5. Therefore, A equals to minus 5. So, negative value is there. So, this is also not possible. So, students, here we will take, therefore, the required digit, the required digit is, so what is the required digit we get? 6.